Okay, there it goes. See, now it's blinking. Yeah, and then I put these on. Yeah, I want to get this here, and then let's see, and then this one comes on, and all you do is push that.
That's it, huh?
And then, boom, it starts counting. Cool. 5 minutes. Yeah, and so then you just look in the area, and you pretty much you're catching the video. And it's pretty comes in pretty good too. Not too bad. And then if you want to do narrating or anything, you really just keep on looking and talk or whatever. Yeah, that's I'm hoping they bring the jet out.
Yeah.
Did you see that jet yesterday? You didn't see that jet? I don't know. They might bring him out. He's dealing with the breeze there too. Look at him getting carried. That is pretty cool.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah. But yeah, these the sunglasses you can get them off of eBay for like $20.
Cool.
So they're not bad. And the downside of them is that they do take a while to charge. And but you get 2 hours of video. And I mean, they're no different than just wearing like a regular pair of sunglasses. And then right at the very tip there, there's like a real small video camera. And the only thing is, you gotta have, if you're looking at something, you gotta keep it at least that distance apart, or else you'll lose the visual. He's going up there. There we get a breeze picking it.
Yeah.
Sign of an amazing pilot who can do the 4-point rolls and stop right on the axis. Most of us go way over or undercut. Slow down. constant movement of the rudder and the elevator and aileron. This is one of the maneuvers in the IMAC competition, doing a rolling circle, maintaining altitude, and actually completing each roll after each point of the circle.
He's so clean. Oh wow. Oh, there you went, topped off. That was pretty good. Yeah.